reasonably.
You're watching CKWS News at Noon. A big honor for us to have you join us on this Thursday afternoon. We'll get to 3 degrees today, big difference from yesterday. But unlike yesterday, we actually see some sunshine, and that wind lasted into the morning, into the early part of the afternoon for parts of the region. We'll slip to -1 overnight, so not a terribly cold morning we're dealing with. And as far as our futurecast images are concerned, we dealt with some very light flurries earlier in the day due to some lake effect snow coming in from Georgian Bay. The bulk of that snow was coming in from Lake Ontario, though, into upper New York State. Now, for Saturday, we are dealing with a chance of rain. We could start to see that rain fall as early as overnight Saturday morning. And you think it's going to be cold Saturday morning? Not necessarily, because by, for instance, Belleville, Friday, tomorrow, 6 degrees overnight, just dropping to just 4 degrees. We'll climb to 9 on Saturday. But for Thursday, you're looking at today, 4 degrees, a trace amount of flurries expected. And then, 6 degrees tomorrow, 9 on Saturday with a chance of rain for Brockville. Only getting to 2 degrees today. You would have dealt with 1 to 3 centimeters of flurries and wind for the first part of the day. And tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, working our way up to 6 degrees for Brockville. You think that's mild? How about 9 on Saturday, dealing with a light rain to begin the weekend. Smiths Falls, 2 degrees today with a bit of a rain-snow mix, and then up to 5 on Friday with some sunny periods. 8 on Saturday for you with a light rain. Now for Kingston, fluctuating temperatures here. We were very mild yesterday. We'll get to just 3 degrees today. Trace amount of flurries with some sunshine, and then 7 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, working our way to 8 degrees on Saturday with some rain, and then settling down to where we should be, around 3 degrees for both Sunday and Monday. Mostly cloudy to end the weekend, and to begin the week, a little bit of sunshine. Good to see you on this Thursday evening. A little more calmer today than it was yesterday. We dealt with some strong gusts yesterday and a significant amount of rain. Today, just a little bit of light flurry activity this morning, and we can thank some streamers, some lake effect flurries coming in from Georgian Bay, reaching all the way across into eastern Ontario. And areas to the south of us in upper New York State dealt with a little bit more flurry activity because of some lake effect snow, some snow squalls coming in from Lake Ontario. Overnight, pretty calm. -3. It'll feel like -9, factoring in a little bit of wind, and a partly cloudy sky overnight. Now tomorrow, 6 degrees, enjoy some sunshine. Wind still with us, though, certainly not as strong as it was yesterday or this morning, but it'll feel like -1. Now, as far as our futurecast images are concerned, enjoy some sunshine tomorrow. We see a little bit of sunshine here and there. And then by Saturday, we're dealing with some rain. Look at this system move through the region. How much, depending on where you are, maybe 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. It'll begin Friday overnight into Saturday morning. We could be dealing with this for the first part of the day. Belleville, wishing you a great Thursday evening. You'll get to 6 degrees tomorrow. A little bit of sunshine under a mostly cloudy sky, though. Wind out of the south at 20 kilometers per hour. That's going to give you a wind chill that feeling like +2. So air temperature high of 6, it'll feel like 2 degrees. And then for Saturday, 9 degrees, well above average, dealing with around 10 millimeters of rain. And then 2 on Sunday. See the pattern here? This is what's going to be happening right across eastern Ontario. Well above average today, or tomorrow rather, and Saturday, and then Sunday dipping to a little below average. But for Sunday, enjoy some sunshine. For Brockville, wishing you a great evening. You'll get to 6 degrees tomorrow. Enjoy some sunshine. It'll feel like 2 degrees once you factor in that wind chill. And then 9 on Saturday, around 5 millimeters of rain. And then hitting 2 degrees on Sunday, mostly cloudy. Smiths Falls, hopefully you're having a great Thursday evening. 5 degrees for you tomorrow, feeling like 0 with that wind chill. 8 degrees on Saturday, a little bit of rain, up to 5 millimeters, and then just 2 degrees on Sunday. Now Kingston's next 3 days here. 6 degrees for tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. It'll feel like +1 with that southerly wind at 35 kilometers per hour. 8 degrees on Saturday, certainly well above that average of 3 degrees for this time of year. And again, around 5 millimeters of rain for Saturday. And then Sunday, looking at a mostly cloudy sky. The sun is trying to peek through to close out out the weekend, though, as we climb to 2 degrees. Now, for the next 7 days, here's how things are looking. So I mentioned tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, 6 degrees. Still dealing with a little bit of rain to begin the weekend. Yeah, we get to 8 degrees, though, and then dipping to a little below average for Sunday, only topping out at 2 degrees. And now for Monday, much the same conditions as Saturday, mostly cloudy with a little bit of sunshine. We do get to +3, though. Again, that is the average high for this time of year. And then we move above average once again for Tuesday, dealing with the chance of a light rain. Cooling for midweek. We could see a little bit of a rain-snow mix on Wednesday as we get to just 1 degree. And then Thursday, I think it'll be the coldest day so far we've seen this season, only getting to -3. That is the high. We do have some sunshine for Thursday, though. And as far as our weather wallpaper is concerned, some really good example of the wind we dealt with yesterday, and hang on for that. Love these pictures sent in from Graham Duke Gibbs. I love that name. Sounds like an action hero. Graham Duke Gibbs. This was taken along Kingston's waterfront, and you can just see the intensity of that wind we dealt with yesterday, with that spray of water hitting the dock and just making everything miserable and wet. That wind. Now we dealt with a little bit of wind yesterday, today rather, not so bad. But yeah, great picture, Graham. Thank you for that. And if you have any pictures to send us, we would love to see them. Submissions at ckwstv.com for the weather wallpaper, or you can go to globalnews.ca/Kingston. That's not all we're asking for. If you have a holiday home, some home in your neighborhood or maybe even yours that's brightly lit, fantastic looking for the season, we want to hear from you. Send submissions of the displays to submissions at ckwstv.com. It is our holiday lights tour. It kicks off December 5th, and it runs all the way to December 23rd. Don't disappoint us. You know, every year we see these amazing homes brightly decorated for the holidays. Bill Hall will go out and visit these homes again from the 5th on to around December 23rd. And we'll be live from, hopefully, your home. But let's get back to this wind. Bill, hopefully you were okay yesterday in that wind and rain.
Yeah, I guess so. It's over, so that's the best part of it. And we look for your 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thanks, Bill. Well, now let's get the 10-day outlook with Bill Wolichka.
Good to see you. We are going to be taking a look now at our long-range forecast. This is a little snapshot of what you can look forward to over the next 10 days or so here. So tomorrow we'll get to 6 degrees for much of the region. That's a little above average. We do have some sunny periods, and then rain on Saturday as we climb to 8 degrees. Sunday only getting to 2, mostly cloudy, and then Monday we move up to 3, and fluctuating temperatures here. So for Tuesday we're up to 6 degrees. Okay, then we move down to just a high of 1 degree with the rain-snow mix on Wednesday, and then the coldest days we've seen this season consecutively here. Thursday and Friday of next week only getting to -3. We're up to -2 on Saturday, and then by next Sunday, +1 with the rain-snow mix. Have a great evening.
CKWS News at 11.
Nice to see you on this Thursday evening. Tomorrow, enjoy some sunshine. Getting there overnight, we'll drop to -4, just a few clouds overhead. It'll feel like -9 overnight, though. And then for tomorrow, yeah, we're going to see some sunshine. We'll climb to 6 degrees, 3 degrees above average for this time of year. And it'll feel like +1 tomorrow with that wind. And our futurecast images, enjoy some sunshine tomorrow. All eyes on Saturday, though. We are going to be dealing with some rain. How much? Well, it depends on where you are. We could see up to 5 to 10 millimeters of rain Saturday. It should begin very early Saturday morning, last into the early part of the afternoon. Hopefully we'll even salvage some sunshine for Saturday, depending on where you are. Belleville, hopefully you're having a great Thursday evening. 6 degrees for you tomorrow. It'll feel like +2 with a southerly wind at around 20 kilometers per hour. 6 degrees, not bad though, so we're back above average. Above average for Saturday, 9 degrees with 10 millimeters of rain, and then 2 on Sunday. a mix of sun and clouds, and much the same pattern here for Brockville. Well above average Friday and Saturday, and then dipping to just a little below average for Sunday. 6 for tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. It'll feel like 2 degrees though, factoring in that wind. 9 on Saturday, 5 millimeters of rain. 2 on Sunday, mostly cloudy for Smiths Falls. 5 degrees tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. 8 on Saturday, 5 millimeters of rain, and then 2 on Sunday. And for Kingston, here's what we can look forward to over the next week. We'll climb to 6 degrees tomorrow as well, mix of sun and clouds. 8 on Saturday with up to 5 millimeters of rain, and then dipping a little below average for Sunday. We do see a little bit of sunshine as we climb to 2 degrees. 3 on Monday, again 3 is the average high for this time of year, and then up to 6 degrees for Tuesday. Little unsettled though with a chance of rain. We could see a little bit of a rain snow mix on Wednesday, and only getting to +1 and even colder for Thursday. Next Thursday in 1 week, a mix of sun and clouds, only topping out at -3. Have a great evening. We'll see you soon.